One of the major reasons why fans watch the widely popular 90 Day Fiancé is because of the jaw-dropping drama. Be it immature, toxic characters, or outrageous families, the show has featured it all. However, it doesn't end here. Through the years, the show has also starred a lot of people who turned out to have a shocking criminal history or ended up becoming criminals after their TV appearances. Hey guys, welcome to TV Season and Spoilers. My name is Anushka, and today we have a list of all those characters who turned out to be criminals and dreadful people in the near future, starting with Geoffrey Pascal. He is by far one of the most controversial stars yet to be in one of the seasons. It turned out that Geoffrey is accused of crimes like domestic assault, aggravated kidnapping, and also emergency call interference. It all took place in June 2019. Apparently, his girlfriend at that time was a victim of all these crimes. Although he is on trial and under arrest, his sentencing has been postponed, and that event took place earlier in 2022. He will serve 2 years and 8 months in prison if convicted for his crimes. Moving on, we have Larissa Lima. Larissa, hailing from Brazil, has had a bad crime track record due to 3 charges, out of which 2 were of battery, June 2018 and November 2018, and 1 for misdemeanor and domestic violence. All her battery charges were eventually dropped. Looks like she avoided jail for 3 times too for her domestic violence case from January 2019. Apparently, she didn't go to prison in turn for doing community service and also classes on domestic violence. Well, that was quite a turnaround for her. Next up, we have Sumit Singh. Sumit has been a fan favorite, and a lot of people didn't know that he, of all the people, would have a criminal history. However, he's had trouble with the law before. In India, the TV star was under arrest for the crimes of adultery. This storyline was also part of the show. Turns out he had married someone else behind his partner Jenny's back. He continued to be with American women despite that. Hence, the arrest happened and he even had to pay a fine for the same. Finally, he got a divorce from his first marriage. Sumit recently tied the knot with Jenny after serving years of stalling all this drama. Next up, Ronald Smith. As he appeared in 90 Day Fiancé The Other Way Season 1, Ronald Smith spoke up about his criminal background to his partner at that time, Tiffany. He talked of drug possession, stolen money, robbery, and also of speeding ticket. Moreover, fans already know about his gambling addiction issue. Yet, despite so many charges, no imprisonment took place. Smith is currently in South Africa and is set to get a divorce from Tiffany. The next one is Darcy and Stacey. The popular twin sisters from reality TV have a criminal record for indulging in an altercation with themselves. Both Darcy and Stacey Silva were under custody in February 2018. It was due to disorderly conduct as both of them engaged in a cat fight. The siblings never went to jail or were in handcuffs, but they still got their punishment. The press charges were later on dismissed. They currently appear on their TLC show Darcy and Stacey. Next up, Paul Staley. Paul kept his criminal past a secret from his wife, Karine, in their reality show appearance. However, later on, he admitted to being involved in second-degree arson. He burned property to defraud insurers. The TV star committed the crime in 2007 and was observed guilty in 2014. It led to a brief prison sentence. He was also under supervision that finally came to an end in 2020. And this concludes our list of all the people convicted of crime in the 90 Day Fiancé series. Do share your favorite name from all of these. Do you think the latest seasons will also bring up such controversial figures? If you like our videos, do press the like button. Also subscribe to TV Season and Spoilers to get all the latest updates from the world of reality television. Until then, stay tuned.